In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check product published date in Shopify. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, you'll land on your main Shopify dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage everything for your store, from orders and products to customers and analytics. For this process, we're going to focus on the products section. Look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on products. This will open a list of all the products in your store. You should see their titles, statuses, prices, and other basic details. What we want to do is use Shopify's bulk editor to reveal the dates tied to these products. At the top of the product list, just above the first product, you'll see a white checkbox. This checkbox controls selection for the products in the current view. Click on that white box to select all the products that are visible on your screen. As soon as you do this, you'll notice some new options appear, usually above the list or near the top of the page. One of those options will be called Bulk Edit. Go ahead and click on Bulk Edit. This opens the Bulk Editor interface, which looks a bit like a spreadsheet. Each row represents a product, and each column is a different field, such as status, vendor, or price. We're going to customize these columns so you can see when your products were published. In the Bulk Editor, look towards the top right corner of the table for a button or link labeled Columns. Click on Columns to open a panel where you can choose which fields you want to display. This list controls what information appears in your bulk editor view. In that Columns panel, scroll through the options and locate the one related to your online store, often labeled Online Store or similar. Make sure this option is checked. When it's selected, Shopify will add a new column to the bulk editor that includes date information for each product. After ticking that box, close the Columns panel and scroll horizontally to the right within the bulk editor. You should now see a new column that shows the dates associated with your products. These dates indicate when each product was created or first made available, giving you a clear view of your product publishing timeline directly inside Shopify.